Welcome to Jet Kids classes, School at Home. Today we are going to learn a new poem from Honeysuckle, and our today's poem name is A House, a Home. This poem is written by Lauren Martha Harley, also known as Lauren M. Harley. She is an American poet. In this poem, the poet describes the difference between a house, a home. Although both words are synonym, like forest, jungle, but here the poet says that there is a difference between these two words. What is the difference? Let's see in the poem. Let me read once. First stanza. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. Its eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. Here in the first stanza, in the first line, the poet asks the readers that what is a house? Do you know what a house is? Then the poet herself answers. She says that it's brick and stone and wood that's hard. Here the poet says that a house is a structure, physical space made up of brick, stone, wood that's hard. It means here in this stanza the poet explains about the various materials, ingredients which are used to make a house. Okay, then some window glass and perhaps a yard, and it is not just about bricks, stone, wood which are used to make a house. It is not just about structure. It also has window which is made up of glass, and also has a yard. Yard means an open place, area. And what else is there in a house? It eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. Here it's eaves and chimneys. Eaves means, already I have written here, eaves, a part of roof that meets the wall of a building. Let me show you. You might have understood. This part. So it also has, a house has eaves and chimneys. What do you mean by chimneys? A vertical tube, or we can say pipe used to emit smoke is called chimneys. Have a look here. Okay, and also has floors which are made up of tile and stucco and roof. Stucco means plaster. Stucco, plaster used for coating walls. Let me show you. So it also has stucco and roof and various doors. Clear? So basically in this stanza the poet explains the materials, ingredients of a house which are almost non-living things. Clear? Let's proceed to second stanza. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. Its brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Let me explain the second stanza. Here also, in the second stanza as well, the poet asks the readers that what is a home? Then the poet herself answers, it is the family members, fathers, mothers, brothers, sisters, grandfathers, grandmothers, who together make a home. They are doing for others. Others means family members. They are doing for each others. Okay. Then what else in a home is? It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you're always caring. It means here, home means it is not just about family members. They act without any selfish interest. Are you understanding? Home means it is not just about family members, and also they act without any selfish interest. They care for each other, they love for each other, they concern for each other. Okay? So home is all about family members, love, caring, care, sharing towards each other, towards family members. Hope it is clear to you. Okay? So in the first stanza, the poet tells about house, explains about what is a house is, and in the second stanza, the poet explains about home. Okay? Then I would like to give one more definition of difference of house and home beyond the textbook, beyond the poem. Home means, see, if you are living in your own building, if you are living in your own building, that is called home. And if you are living in a building where every month if you are paying rent, if you are living in a rented house, that is called, yes, house. Okay? Difference between home and house. That's why generally we say guest house. We don't say guest home. So this is a difference. Hope it is clear to you. And one more thing, I would like to mention here about interactive session. During interactive session, if you have any query, doubt, and your doubts clears, for example, couldn't clear in the interactive session due to any technical issue, technical glitch. So you may ask your doubts on my WhatsApp number. You may WhatsApp me your all queries, doubts. Okay, children, that's all for today.